on the table. I wonder if you'd mind taking a brief survey. 5 questions. Now, I know you're sleepy, but I just bet it'll make you feel right as rain.
You can build a Bluetooth speaker with a 3D printed enclosure inspired by the Apple TV show Severance. It's a fun project that pairs nicely with music ranging from reckless disco to defiant jazz. The Adafruit ESP32 Feather features Bluetooth Classic support for making audio projects using Arduino. This project uses an I2S audio amplifier that provides high-quality digital audio that drives a 3-watt MIDI speaker. All of the electronics are secured to a 3D printed mount that is installed into a mid-century modern enclosure. The code, CAD files, and assembly instructions are all available at learn.adafruit.com. The speaker grill simply snaps over the enclosure, allowing easy access if you ever need to refine the circuit. Just provide a 5-volt power supply over USB-C to boot the speaker and start your music dance experience. This project is written in Arduino and uses 2 libraries by Phil Schatzmann that make using the ESP32 for Bluetooth audio really easy. The code initializes the I2S DAC and creates a Bluetooth device called Lumen Industry Speaker that will allow you to connect to. We think it's great for using while watching your favorite TV show or sync it up with your mobile device. Just try not to throw it at your coworkers.